How to kill cockroaches using eggshells, a 100% effective method. Today, I'll show you how to make an extremely effective cockroach trap using only eggshells. If you have cockroaches at home, don't throw away eggshells anymore. They're a simple yet surprisingly effective weapon. Let's get started. Hello! It's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Welcome to a really helpful video. If you clicked here, you probably don't know how to deal with cockroaches. Cockroaches are not only annoying or disgusting, but they also transmit over 220 diseases, viruses, and bacteria, many of which have no cure. You need to find a way to get rid of them because they're always appearing on dishes, food, even in hot weather, and can even be found on your bed. With today's method, you'll get rid of them quickly, easily, and simply. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. The great thing is it costs almost nothing because we'll be using ordinary eggshells. Get ready to try this fail-proof method. I learned this method from an agricultural book that teaches many ways to deal with pests and insects. It's extremely effective, with a success rate of up to 98%, and is both economical and efficient. First, set the eggshells aside. We'll use the large onion. Cut it in half, then slice it into pieces about 0.5 centimeters thick. The number of slices depends on the number of traps you want to make. Onions contain sulfur, which alters the surrounding oxygen levels, both purifying the air and attracting cockroaches to the trap. Place the onion slices in a bowl or tray. Next, pour some Coca-Cola over the onions. Let the sliced onions soak for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, grind the eggshells. Don't just crush them, grind them into a fine powder. If you don't have a grinder, you can use flour instead. Once the eggshells are finely ground into a powder, mix them with sugar, about half the amount of ground eggshells. Sugar makes the trap more attractive to cockroaches. Next, add baking soda, a gas-producing substance in the cockroach's stomach, preventing them from escaping and completely eliminating them. Mix everything well. Take the onion slices that have been soaked in Coca-Cola. Then place the eggshell plus sugar plus baking soda mixture on top of the onion. Finally, place traps in areas where cockroaches frequent, behind cabinets, under the stove, in the refrigerator, etc. Cockroaches will be attracted by the smell, eat the traps, and be killed. The next day, you won't see any trace of cockroaches. This is an extremely effective trap, used even on farms where chemicals are difficult to eliminate cockroaches. Prepare a clean bowl. Add a little baking soda. The reason baking soda can kill cockroaches is because of its chemical properties. Cockroaches' digestive systems cannot break down baking soda. When eaten, baking soda reacts with stomach acid, producing a lot of carbon dioxide gas, causing the cockroach's intestines to swell and explode. This is a safe, effective physical killing method that is also friendly to humans and pets. Then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of white sugar. Sugar acts as bait. Next, add half a teaspoon of detergent. Mix all three. Cockroaches are extremely sensitive to sweet tastes. The smell of sugar will lure them to eat, making them lose their guard. The detergent and alkali in washing powder both increase the killing efficiency and destroy the protective oil layer on the body, causing cockroaches to lose water. The powder form helps the mixture stick easily. Cockroaches can carry it back to the nest, and other cockroaches in the nest can also be infected when eating together or licking each other. Mix baking soda, sugar, and detergent into a white powder mixture. Place on small plates in places where cockroaches often appear. Corner of the cabinet, under the kitchen, next to the trash can. Cockroaches are attracted by the sweet smell of sugar, will eat or bring it back to the nest. When swallowed, the gas reaction in the body occurs quickly, combined with the effect of detergent, causing them to die in a short time. The powder brought back to the nest also spreads to kill other cockroaches. Just leave it for a few days and you will see a marked reduction in cockroach numbers, a simple solution to a household nuisance. Another way to kill cockroaches in the house, with just a little cooking oil in plastic bottles or discarded beer cans, we can make an effective cockroach trap without using toxic chemicals. I used 2 traps, 1 plastic bottle. Vai mod Colombia. Cut off the top of the plastic bottle, keeping the body. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Turn the cut end of the bottle upside down, creating an inverted funnel inside the body of the bottle. Pour about 1 to 2 centimeters of cooking oil into the bottom of the bottle. Just a thin layer is enough. Add a little sweet bait like sugar or honey to attract cockroaches. Tape the bottle mouth shut so the funnel doesn't move. I kept the beer can intact, just added cooking oil. And the way into the beer can. Next, shake the bottle so that the cooking oil sticks to the side of the bottle so that cockroaches that fall in will not be able to crawl up. Place traps in places where cockroaches often appear, such as kitchen corners, under the sink, behind the refrigerator, or near the trash can. Cockroaches will crawl in because of the smell of the bait, but once they are in the bottle, they will slide down the oil layer and will not be able to crawl out. You should check the trap every 2 to 3 days, changing the oil and bait as needed. Keep the kitchen area clean to prevent cockroaches from coming back. With just a little bit of ingenuity and a few items available in the house, you have a safe, odorless, non-toxic, and extremely effective way to kill cockroaches. Have you learned how to make ginger spray and baking soda trap, cooking oil trap to kill cockroaches today? Try it at home and leave a comment with your results so everyone can learn. See you in the next video.